Is this a dead cat bounce? Or is it a bull trap? Or is it just a reversal? Let me show you what I did in my last trade. Bitcoin is pumping, absolutely pumping. We have a large wick here. So I told everybody this was the line in the sand, the 200-day SMA. I am on the daily, and I did wait for a confirmation candle of it being rejected, and I got in right about here. And I held until we got to my price target here, where I sold half of the position. And what happened? The next day we started going all the way down. I was getting a little bit happy because, you know, we could potentially then come to this 50-day as support, or right down here, right around 40,000. That's a really strong level support right here. So I moved my stop. What I did was I moved the last 50% position. I moved the stop to right here. And unfortunately, this morning we got back up and boom, I got stopped out. But this one trade alone made up for the last 7 losses for me because I had a tight stop. My stop was just barely above this line right here. I had a 5% stop and I made about 40% on the trade. So you got to protect capital, and I moved the stop once I was in profit, sold some of it to take profit, and then if we came back here and I was wrong, boom. But what's currently happening? We are currently buying pressure. Everyone is buying. We've got some good volume here. And what are some of the indicators telling me? Some of the indicators are telling me we're getting another little bit of a cross here on the signal line, but we're becoming overbought territory here. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is just a bull trap where we don't make it all the way above, because what we need to make is we need to make a higher high. So we've got to get above this SMA. So I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything until we get above the $48,200 range. $48,500 range. Once we get above that, then that is a signal for me to go long, and that now we are pretty much breaking into a bull trend as long as we don't break below this. Next deal is I'll wait for the 50-day to cross the 200 SMA as like a confirmation completely that boom, we're in a bull market.